Are you ready to revolutionize your health and vitality? This is Moringa powder, nature's ultimate superfood supplement. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa has been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits. Boost your immune system, improve digestion, achieve radiant skin, and enjoy sustained energy throughout your day. It's your turn to find out why celebrities around the world are going crazy about Moringa. From athletes to actors, it's the go-to supplement for those who demand the best from their bodies. Our Moringa powder is packed in easy-to-take capsules, making it simpler to enjoy Moringa's benefits every day. Take your first Moringa bottle today and start your journey to better health.